Here's a classic oldie but goodie, 1950 Ford F1 step-side pickup. Underneath the hood, powered by 226 flathead inline 6. That is paired with a manual 3-speed transmission. 1950, the shifter was also moved to the floor on those 3-speed manuals, so it's not on the column but on the floor. And this truck has had a restoration, some work done to it along the line back a little while, and I'll kind of point out some things as I go around and let you know what we found out on this one. A little bit of service. If you want to check out the stow pictures though, so you can start looking at the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the stow pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it, that's going to take you right there. Of course you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Now you're going to have some nicks, scratches in the paint. There's a few spots where there's some bubbling. One of the major ones was on this fender right up here. I want to point this out, a little dinger up here. And of course down here where it's going to need some TLC if you want to take it to the next level, or drive it the way it is. It does have a 12-volt system to it now. 50 would originally had a 6. One little spot here too wanted to point out. A little bit of bubbling there. You can check out the box and the stow pictures. I left the tonneau cover snapped on there so you could see that. We'll check out the interior here in a bit, fire it up so you can hear it run. One thing the tech did note when he drove it, it does have brakes at all 4 corners all the way around that have been done recently, but the front right wheel cylinder was leaking some, so when you would brake, that brake would catch a little harder than the others and want to pull to the right a little bit. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. One other thing the tech noted with that tranny is the cross member, there's a little bit of flex to it, and when he was decelerating, it would pop out a second once in a while. I believe it was second, he said. Riding on Kumho radials. Look like there are plenty of tread left on those, and you can check that out in the stow pictures too. A little bit of scratches back here. Overall, like I said, you can take this to the next level. We've had it out going down the road, so you drive it the way it is, maybe a little TLC with the brakes, or like I said, take it to the next level. Lots of times you see these street rotted, or just kind of fix it up a little, drive it the way it is. We got it priced accordingly, so don't be afraid to call in on this one. Alright, interior, so vinyl seat, bench of course, there's a shifter on the floor. Kept the dash and everything pretty much stock. Let's go ahead and start this up. Appeared all the gauges work except for the battery charge discharge gauge. See how easily it starts or runs nice. Oil pressure, fuel gauge, temp gauge all appeared to work. Also has a little heater down here in the blower fan. Does blow on that also. Original VIN plate in the glove box. Check that out in the pictures also. Door closes nicely, fits well. Slip around to the back. About what you'd expect out of that inline 6 flatty. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front, pause this a second. I want to show you the engine bay. You're a pretty smooth running engine. Alright, let me pause this, get that hood open.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Of course, the hood latch on these is right here. Just pull it out. See where that is. All right, here we go. Aluminum radiator. And there's the inline 6 flathead 226. That's what they would have came with back in 1950. Humming along underneath there. All righty. Looking for a 1950 Ford F1, priced right. Maybe do a little TLC on it yourself or drive it the way it is. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. You can consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.